Test section 48, 3589, US 287 southbound. Right there's the delineator. We got right-of-way signs and all that. That's at highway reference marker 476. Since our last visit, they have redone the shoulder. See the overspray under the lane. We went on ahead and got lane to shoulder separation and lane to shoulder drop off, and the joint measurements. I don't know why, but Jerry said do it. See this crack out here? We call it a 7L spall, which we're going to note. There's 4 or 5 of those, and see actually what we're going to call it in the future. Come down this section. It's got several of those. Here's like the 3rd joint. You can see another one. Section's pretty much like it was. Here's station 50 and another one of those spalls, as it was our last visit. You can see here a dilapidated concrete patch just prior to station 100. On station 100. Got a couple of areas. You can see that shiny area right there. I'll turn and look back. The lighting's better. It's possibly Polock aggregate, polished aggregate, but it's such a small area and undefined under the asphalt overspray, we didn't know what to call it. Station 200. With this overspray, there were no markings on this section. We started at station 0, which we could see the full line. By the time we get to 500, we're like 5 feet from the end of the section. I'll show you that when we get there. It's coming up on station 300. Most of the joints were medium severity joint seal damage. Had some low. I don't believe we had any high. We're up on station 350. You can see the sealed area out here on a corner break. There's station 400 up ahead. The joint just this side. You can see there's a flexible patch. We gave it medium severity due to its roughness and sealant. Here we've got corner break and a corner break and then some extended spalling. See, they tried to patch part of that one out there. We'll continue on. This next one we have another sealed corner break, hard to see. Here it's just a wide spall. Here next to the last joint from 500, it's pretty beat up. Have corner breaks, busted into more corner breaks. We've got an asphalt patch. It's turning, looking at station 500. That's where we got with the metric wheel. There's the ending delineators. There's 3 of them on there. And then way up here, approximately, I guess, 10 feet, is the old station line. I showed on the previous map that the stationing for this test section was bogus. Don't know if it's long or short. This is looking back through the test section. And that's the end of this video distress survey.